Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order in Talabat app. The first thing I want you to do here at the bottom navigation menu, I want you to click on orders, and as you can see, here is our order. It is still being prepared, so you can only do this before it has been prepared. So just go ahead and tap on this order right here, and then I want you to scroll all the way down, click here on get help, and then what I need you to do right here on this page, I need you to click on cancel my order right here, and as you can see, you can enter the reason why you would like to cancel the order. So you can go ahead and choose any option you want right here, for example, and click on chat with Talabat, and then just go ahead and click on continue after you choose your chat language. And here you go, they're going to connect you to a support agent, and in a few moments they'll be in chat with you. So there we go, we'll tell them we want to cancel the order. And as you can see right here, I told them that I added the wrong items in my previous cart, so they have said that they are going to go ahead and cancel the order for us. Here, as you can see, they have just confirmed that it was the order from the Talabat Mart. I said yes, it was, and now they are sorting for us. And there you go, that is how to cancel order in Talabat app.